My dad started this farm in 1933. My name is Fred Schuster, second generation farmer for Schuster Farms and our packaging company, Rio Fresh. Now we're in the process of transitioning to our third generation. We're fortunate to farm here in the Rio Grande Valley of South Texas. We're blessed with wonderful weather, a mild climate, excellent soil, and a fresh water source, which is the Rio Grande River, which is the boundary between us and Mexico. Of course, so many of the agricultural businesses that have built this country have been family farms. It's a tremendous responsibility that we have to feed the people of this country. We fully understand what it means to produce a safe, quality product, because it's what we feed our children. It's what we feed our grandchildren. We've been using BioSafe here since 2011. We use it a lot in our packing facility, and then also wash our fresh vegetables. We also utilize it to spray on the crops to help suppress any funguses, bacteria, mildews that may grow. And the nicest thing about it, it's perfectly safe and does no harm to the environment, no harm to the product, no harm to any of the people that are applying the product. Back in 2014, we had just a valley-wide outbreak of black rot. And it was just taking out fields all over the Rio Grande Valley. One of the few things that was labeled to use to combat black rot, and that was actually effective, was OxiDate, and it was very effective. We're very happy to use OxiDate on all our farm crops because it's effective, it's safe, and it helps us to produce the quality product our customers expect.
BioSafe Systems is a great partner for small farms because it is a sustainable product. With BioSafe Systems, we are proud to meet with our growers to ask questions and to find out where they're having issues and being able to help them along the way of finding safe, sustainable answers for the problems that they have.